If you are trying to take this AC compressor hub from the compressor, first you take this tiny board from here, and this one is supposed to come out, but when it's lasted like this, it's not gonna come out. Let me show you how to take this off. You don't need a puller or anything like that. Only thing you need is a M8 1.25 pitch board. There are two screw thread inside. One is for this tiny board, one is for this one, M8. Screw in and use a 12mm wrench. Remove like this. Screw in clockwise. See, it's coming out. Almost there. Now it's off. I tried put in the flathead screwdriver and hammering down. I tried primer, it didn't come out, but this is how you take it off.